Simply fold it, and it snaps into action. It's a full-size mouse, and extremely portable. The traditional mouse is bulky, heavy, and not easy to carry around. Air Zero is the next breakthrough in the form factor of the mouse, infusing the traditional art of origami, the art of folding, into our patented design. The origami design concept is where the magic begins. One snap to activate Air Zero. With Bluetooth 5.2, it connects instantly with any Bluetooth-ready computer without a dongle. The thickness is as thin as 4.5 millimeters and weighing in at only 40 grams. Air Zero's slim design allows it to fit invisibly anywhere as you travel, and transform into a full-sized mouse that ergonomically fits in your hand when in use. It uses mechanical buttons, so every click feels solid and satisfying. While the scroll pad sensor offers smooth operation as you scroll through the pages. Get efficiency in work as well as in battery life. The built-in battery can last up to 3 months in a single full charge. In a hurry, get up to 3 hours of usage with only 1 minute of charging. The origami concept enables a strong triangular structure to make Air Zero sturdy. With minimal areas of friction, Air Zero can glide across different surfaces quietly for more discreet operation. The gliders at the bottom enable greater fluidity and precise control. The outer layer of Air Zero is made with vegan leather, which is able to maintain its integrity even after extensive folding. The surface is water resistant. Stains and dirt can be easily cleaned from the vegan leather. It's one of the lightest yet toughest mouses on the market. Air Zero provides a natural hand position that can minimize muscle fatigue from long hours of use. Forget about the bulky plastic mouse from yesteryear. Air Zero comes in a variety of cool colors and textures to suit your personal style. Travel, play, and work anywhere in style. Air Zero is the perfect mouse for you.